औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हाय गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है साइटोप्लाज्म। इससे पहले कि हम आज का लेक्चर स्टार्ट करें, आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को क्लिक करें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके और आप उससे मुस्तफ़ीद हो सकें। आज का टॉपिक है साइटोप्लाज्म। सबसे पहले हम साइटोप्लाज्म की डेफिनेशन लेते हैं। व्हाट इज साइटोप्लाज्म? द एरिया ऑफ सेल which contain, मतलब कि सेल का ऐसा एरिया जिसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें मौजूद हों। नंबर 1, aqueous ground substances. Number 2, variety of organelles. दो चीज़ों की। तीसरे नंबर पे अदर इंक्लूजन्स, मतलब इस सेल का ऐसा एरिया जिसके अंदर क्या मौजूद हो। एक्वस ग्राउंड सब्सटेंसेस, वैरायटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनेलीज एंड थर्ड वन इज अदर इंक्लूजन्स। अब ये क्या चीज़ें हैं, ये तीनों हम बार बार इनको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लास्ट वाली दो चीज़ों को देखते हैं। अदर ऑर्गेनेलीज अदर इंक्लूजन्स और वैरायटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनेलीज को देखेंगे। इससे पहले कि बेसिकली जो सेल है, सेल की डायग्राम बनाते हैं। दिस इज एक्चुअली सेल एंड दिस इज प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन which surrounds the cell, and this is nucleus. And this area, this whole area which consists of nucleus as well as cytoplasm, this whole area is called protoplasm in eukaryotic organisms, and this protoplasm is called cytoplasm. This whole area which includes nucleus as well as cytoplasm, and this is nucleus and this is cytoplasm, and it is called protoplasm. Now, variety of organelles. There are different varieties of organelles which are specific for their specific functions. Different organelles which are specific for their function. For example, Number 1, nucleus is itself is organelle. Number 2, mitochondria. Number 3, endoplasmic reticulum. So it contains many different organelles. Some are single membrane bounded and some are double membrane bounded organelles. It depends upon the function of the specific function of the organelle, due to which it has single membrane or double membrane. Now basically cytoplasm is divided into basically two parts. Number 1 is organelles and inclusions. Number 2 is cytosol. Organelles and inclusions. Inclusions mean insoluble waste, insoluble material like waste or storage products. Waste mean ammonia, as urea, like this, and storage products like glycogen, starch, and these are the storage products which contain sugar, which contain glucose. So these are two parts. One is organelles and inclusions, and second one is cytosol. What is cytosol? Which is the main part of the nucleus. Cytosol is basically soluble part of the cytoplasm. Soluble part of cytoplasm is called cytosol. Soluble part of the cytoplasm is called cytosol. And cytosol is basically divided into two different parts. It has two parts. One is true solution and second one is colloidal solution. How these two solutions form? Number 1 is true solution. As we know that there are different types of materials. Some are smaller particles and some are larger particles. When different smaller particles combine, like different smaller molecules combine, they form true solution. Small molecules and ions combine to form true solution. As we know that these smaller particles have small surface area, due to which they can diffuse and they can fuse easily and they form a true solution. They are soluble with each other. They are easily soluble with each other, so they form true solution. And second one type is colloidal solution. What is colloidal solution? Colloidal solution basically is the mixture of larger molecules. Mixture of larger molecules. Mixture of larger molecules is called colloidal solution. Why it is called colloidal solution? Basically, the reason behind this, due to which it is called colloidal solution, because it forms false solution. It is not a true solution. It is a mixture of larger molecules which cannot soluble with each other easily. They have larger surface area. They are these molecules, these large molecules, these larger molecules cannot dissolve or soluble with each other due to large surface area and different nature. So it is also called as second name of this colloidal solution. Second name is false solution. False solution or heterogeneous mixture. There is inappropriate proportion of different materials. So to form a true solution, there should be a appropriate proportion of solution. There should be a same concentration, same nature of the molecules to form a true solution. So these larger molecules cannot dissolve with each other, cannot soluble with each other due to different nature, due to large molecule, due to larger surface area. As we know that there is a rule, one nature can dissolve the same other molecule of this other molecule of the same nature. So these molecules cannot be soluble with each other. So colloidal solution is also divided into two types. Colloidal solution is also divided into two types. One is sol and other is gel. These two divisions are named due to the nature of their composition and heterogeneous. Colloidal solution is divided into two types. Number one is sol, second is gel. As we know that gel is showing a nature of like sticky nature. Sticky nature, it is not a liquid, it is semi-liquid, non-viscous, semi-liquid viscous material. Semi-liquid viscous material is called gel. Viscous, semi-solid material. Number one viscous होगा, number two semi-solid, and second one is sol, which is semi-viscous plus liquid-like. These two are the basic types of the false solution or heterogeneous mixture or colloidal solution. Colloidal solution consists of sol and gel. Sol is a semi-viscous liquid-like material, but gel is a viscous and semi-solid-like material. These are two basic types of colloidal solution. These are two basic types of colloidal solution, and these are the details about the cytoplasm, which is the the main component of the cell, and it contains different organelles and inclusions, inorganic materials, and insoluble waste, insoluble storage materials, storage products like glycogen and starch and lipids. These are the insoluble. Insoluble mean these are insoluble in water, because the cytosol is about 90% of the cytosol is water. So it is a aqueous material. It forms aqueous ground substances which can dissolve. Aqueous ground substances mean which can dissolve in water. Aqueous mean water. Ground substances which can dissolve in water. So cytoplasm contains three components. Number one is aqueous ground substances. Number two is variety of organelles, and third one is other inclusions. Aqueous ground substances mean those materials, those substances which can dissolve, which are soluble in water, mean those which are polar in nature, and polar dissolve polar, so they are soluble in water. Variety of organelles like other organelles like mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, microfilaments, microtubules. These are the organelles of the cell. And other inclusions mean insoluble waste, either insoluble waste or either the insoluble storage products. Like insoluble waste mean like urea, ammonia, and these are the metabolic waste materials which are produced as a result of metabolism. So these are the insoluble waste. Insoluble insoluble storage products like glycogen, like cellulose, and these are the inorganic storage products. And variety of organelles, it has two parts. Number one is cytosol. Cytosol is further divided into true solution and colloidal solution. True solution, small molecules and ions combined to form true solution, and colloidal solution, where a mixture of large molecules, is called colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is also called false solution or heterogeneous mixture, which has no specific proportion of the components. So colloidal solution is further divided into two types, sol and gel. Sol is semi-viscous or liquid material, while gel is a viscous or semi-solid material. This topic is about total cytoplasm, and cytoplasm is the basic component of the cell, which contain all the basic components of the cell. So this is all about cytoplasm. Love.